I'm getting out of my car, going into Trader Joe's. Now I always park in this handicap space. It's surrounded by red. A truck on one end, and on the other end is a lady in red getting out of her car. Maybe sitting in her car. I don't know. So, here I am. In this space I usually park in. One car, there's a lady in red. There's a truck each side of me. Space I usually park in when I come to Trader Joe's. I particularly enjoy when it's right near the exit and I have my sign on so that I can inform people what's going on. Alright, we gotta get the carriage out of the car. Stroller for the door. Let's do that. Get it out. Letting you see what I see. Never saying anybody is a gang stalker, just letting you see what I see. I get out of my car, a person in red gets out of their car.